Hello all. In this video, we will see two-dimensional array and pointers question. This question is taken from GATE CSE exam. So here is the question. We wish to know what is the output of the following C code, right? We are given a two-dimensional array of size 4 cross 3, 4 rows, 3 columns, and the array is also initialized with these values, okay? And we want to print 3 values over here, okay? Then there are some assumptions, right? Assume that the address of that array is 2000 in decimal and each integer requires what? 4 bytes of memory. Okay. Now, although for us it is a two-dimensional array, in memory it will be represented as a one-dimensional array, right? Of 12 elements. Why 12 elements? Because 4 rows, 3 columns. So 4 times 3 is 12, right? So there are 12 elements in this array. And the physical representation of the array would look like this. Zeroth element, first element, second element, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9, 10, and 11, right? There are 12 elements in the array. Index starts from 0. Okay, and we also have the values stored over here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now the starting address of the array is mentioned as 2000, and it is also given that each integer requires 4 bytes of memory. So the next integer is at 2004, 2008, 2012, right? 016, 2020, 2024, 2028, 2032, 2036, 2040, and 2044. Okay, these are the addresses of the integers. Now in memory this is a one dimensional, but for us it is a two dimensional array of 4 rows and 3 columns. So how many rows we have? We have 4 rows. So we want to divide these 12 elements into 4 equal compartments. 4 equal compartments. How I'm going to do that? There are total 12 elements and I wish to have 4 compartments. So each compartment will have 3 elements, right? Look at this. This is x of 0. If you look at this, this is x of 1. This one is x of 2. And this one is x of 3. Okay. Perfect. Now the stage is set, and now you see that each of this compartment shall be divided into 3 compartments, which is already been done, right? So you see x of 0 is already divided into 3 compartments which contains 1, 2, 3. X of 1 is also divided into 3 compartments which contains 4, 5, 6. Likewise, x of 2 and x of 3 are also divided into 3 equal compartments respectively with values 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? Now we want to print x plus 3, right? To print what? X plus 3. Now when you write x, you get address of its 0th element, right? Now where is the 0th element of this array? This is the 0th element of this array, right? X of 0 is the 0th element of the array. So when I write x, I get address of its 0th element. Address of its 0th element is 2000. But I'm not interested in getting x. I'm interested in getting x plus 3 is what I'm interested in. Right, so x plus 3, if x gives you address of 0th element, x plus 3 will naturally give you address of the third element, right? And address of the third element is, as you can see, 2036, right? So the first output will be 2036 will be the first output. Okay. Now let's think of the next one. The next thing we wish to print is star of x plus 3. Right. Star of x plus 3. Okay. Now we know from my previous video, you must have seen this, that a of I is equivalent to star of a plus I. Okay. So star of x plus 3 is equivalent to x of 3. Right. So x of 3, I'm writing x of 3 over here, right? X of, what is x of 3? X of 3 itself is an array. Right, as you can see, x of 3 itself is an array, and I'm specifying its name. When you specify the name of the array, what do you get? You get address of its 0th element. What is the 0th element of this array? This is the 0th element of this array. Right. And what is its address? Its address is 2036. So the next output is also 2036. So naturally one can see with the options that option A is correct, right? But let's see the third one also. I hope you got this one, right? Now what we are printing is star of x plus 2, right? Star of x plus 2 plus 3 is what we are printing. Now we know star of x plus 2 is x of 2. X of 2 plus 3. Now what does x of 2 gives you? X of 2 itself is an array. Right? X of 2 itself is an array, as you can see. And you are writing its name x of 2. So by writing x of 2, you get address of its 0th element. Now address of its 0th element is an integer, which is 7. Right? So by writing x of 2, you get address of 7. By writing x of 2, you get address of 7, and 7 is an integer. Right? An integer requires 4 bytes. So when I write x of 2 plus 3, I'll go at the third integer, right? I'll skip 3 integers. So I'll skip 7th, I'll skip 8, and I'll skip 9. And once again I get address of 10, right? Because x of 2 gives me address of 7, x of 2 plus 1 will give me address of 8, x of 2 plus 2 will give me address of 9, but I am interested in x of 2 plus 3, which will give me address of 10, and that is also 2036. So it is 2036. Okay, I hope you have understood this option A, right? Thank you.